So we got something a little bit different. Not the donut, not the sculpture, something else I thought I could do to put what I've learned to the test and just try out some new things. I am a Man United supporter, unfortunately, so I thought why not give it a go, making the logo and just seeing what I can do with it. And you never know what can happen. So I did surprise myself with this a little bit and came out slightly better than I thought. The topology isn't amazing. I done the best I could, and it did surprise me, to be fair. But yeah, I'm not going to talk for this whole video as it's 5.5 minutes long. But yeah, so I'm just making the logo here. I do end up making the text as well, but it's not to do with the actual Manchester United logo itself. It just says Manchester United. But yeah, this was me just basically having a storyboard, seeing how I could replicate it in Blender, and just using some of the techniques that I've picked up over the past week and a half. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few of these and I'll keep the progression updates being posted still. But yeah, enjoy the rest of this video as I get it to somewhere that I think I'm pretty happy with. So yeah, that leaves me with that. Here is a Man United logo in your face.